Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm just dropping an amazing opportunity for the position of a senior veterinary surgeon. Please, this might not be a popular job role, but I'm sure there are people that owns or that work in this part, that work as a surgeon as a veterinary surgeon, and this is having in you know COS. There's sponsorship available for this work in the United Kingdom, well Latin precisely. This post or this vacancy, this position was posted here 4 days ago and still very valid. Okay, so you can check the link of this video. As you can see, senior veterinary surgeon wanted for Wellington Gateshead practice located in the part of the world where home ownership is more accessible and the higher standard of living is achievable on salaries we offer our staff. Anyways, it's just important that you read some of this information so you will know if you're capable or if you are qualified for this job role or not. So you have to go through all of this. So more importantly, the work says you have the average of 34 hours per week to work, no late nights, OOH, bank holidays, 1 in 4 Saturday morning, protected free time, lots of break and free lunches to keep you going during shift. This is amazing. Now, also, you can see all of these things. The perks, pension scheme, cycle to work budgets, certificates fully funded, supported and encouraged. Now, this is what this means. For every course, for every career path ladder that you climb here, for every virtual course you have, and because in all of these job duties, they expect you to grow in your job. So for every course you take at work, you will definitely be paid. The certificates are fully funded by the company. It means once you do the certificates, you take the courses, you get paid for them. Staff loyalty bonus, excellent support staff with designated receptionists. A lot of information here. And now the salary is between 60 to 80k pounds per annum, depending on your capability. So as you can see, this job it also has relocation package up to 595 per calendar month, 595 pounds per calendar month for first 3 months, and then there's visa and sponsorship for this job, bro. So please, guys, if you have anybody who is I know you can share this with nurses, you can share them with doctors. Of course, they can connect with other nurses, other doctors that know people that are qualified for this job role. So please don't say because it's not about you, you can't share with people that you know. Please just share with people that you know and let them benefit from this job. So I just need to drop this for you guys. Please, if you are coming here for the very first time, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. You'll definitely be getting the information firsthand as it drops. So kindly subscribe. You can also turn on your notification bell, and we're gonna see you again in my next video. So please, for every of this video that you're watching, if you have comments, you have questions, you have inquiries to make, just drop them in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you again in my next video.